Hello, welcome to another edition of Chris Speaks. I'm your host, Chris Thompson, and okay, so I'm going to try to get on to talk about a number of things. The first thing I want to talk to you about is that, and they have footage of it doing it. So, the New York City comptroller, which I'm not sure what he is, what his job is. Sorry, I got a cough. I didn't take my allergy pill, which I should have. He was in immigration court and he was on his way out, and he was there to basically he was there to what's the word? Be there to protect his this person from ICE because the person had his day in immigration court. The court dismissed his case, meaning that he's not supposed to be deported. ICE waited right outside of the courtroom and tried to grab him. So the New York comptroller tried to stop them, and so they arrested him. Well, first of all, um, this is the lawlessness of ICE. The judge said no, they shouldn't be deported. ICE says grab them. This is the lawlessness. This is Donald Trump's lawlessness of what he's doing. The fucking court said no. They don't have the right to grab him, and also they don't have the authority to arrest an American citizen. This is crazy, and this is what they've been doing. It's illegal. The judge dismissed the case, and so this is what we're seeing this blatant fucking disregard for the law and respect, and then the ICE's the person whoever made the statement for ICE said, well, we're doing our job, and he assaulted us. He fucking because he tried to keep you from arresting someone you had no right to arrest. And this is what they said. Nobody's above the law. Yeah, including ICE, including the president. The person wasn't this comptroller guy. He was not violating the law. He was trying to stop an illegal arrest. And so what did they do? They arrested him when they didn't even have the authority to arrest him. And this is the kind of crap that's going on. Not to mention all the racial profiling. There's a few guys, well, several people, but I only saw two of them make statements on Democracy Now! And Democracy Now! They always have their information correct. One of the guys is actually a former police chief. I don't remember what city, but in the United States. But he has a Muslim name. But he has no accent. He had his ID, and he was detained at the airport. This other guy, he's Hispanic, and I don't know exactly what his nationality is, but I don't even remember what he did. But anyways, this is a guy who also does good stuff, but because he was Hispanic, they coming into the country from wherever he came from in the airport, they detained him because of his name. And and I forget, he does a lot of good stuff for like immigrants and stuff and for like civil rights. So I mean, we don't have proof that this is why they're doing it, but I mean, it could be. So they're targeting people. It's just like they're trying to grab anyone who looks Hispanic. If any of you guys have seen that video footage of where these freaking two trucks wedge in on a car, one on one side, one on the other, and smash the car together, well, the woman was an American citizen. They thought she she's Hispanic, so they assumed she was an illegal immigrant. And then they trash her car and they put handcuffs on her. Then they look her up and they're like, "Oh, you can go now." Oh, she can go now. This is lawlessness. This is racial profiling. This is bullshit. This is our country. This is America. People have rights. You can't just pull people over. You can't just crash your car into people to stop them. First of all, even if she was an illegal immigrant, that's bullshit. That's illegal. That's like that's assault with a deadly weapon, being a vehicle. So, and that's happened at some of these protests where assholes are running over protesters. But I don't get it. I don't understand. And I don't understand how anyone, I don't care how much you like Donald Trump, which I don't understand that at all. But how you can be okay with this shit. How you can be okay with the president breaking the law, with federal agents breaking the law, with people doing stuff that they're not supposed to be doing. Oh, and here's another thing. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in another video, but oh, they're only going after illegal immigrants, is what people say, right? Well, Trump's making people that are illegal immigrants illegal. He he revoked the legal status of some 500,000 immigrants, that some of which were allowed in under Biden, and that's probably why he's doing it, just because they were Biden. So he revokes their status and says, "You're illegal immigrants. Get out of the country, or I'll send ICE after you." So you're making people who were legal immigrants illegal so you can deport them because they're all Hispanic. You wouldn't do that to white people. It's just like his travel ban. His travel ban. None of the countries are countries that are predominantly white people. He's a racist. He's a racist, and he's breaking the law, and he's being let do it. And the Supreme Court's helping him do it. I mean, the Supreme Court helped him do it in the first place before he was elected, when they decided to give President what is it? Um, Total immunity, meaning as long as he says he does something on an official uh, standpoint, from as long as it was an official act, uh, he's immune. But if the official act is illegal, he shouldn't have immunity. How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet they're going to change that back? Like, once there's a Democrat, well, we don't want them to have total immunity. Yeah, because you're predominantly Republicans and you kiss the ass of Trump because that's what you do. It's just, this is not right. It's not right. The shit they're doing is illegal. Some of the shit immoral and whatever. And then Trump can't make up his mind. First, he's gonna deport all of them. Then he says, "Oh, he's gonna deport everybody but farmers and um, hotel workers." And then he's gonna deport everyone. And then that he's specifically gonna target um, Democratic cities, Democratic cities, not Republican cities, only Democratic ones. That means he's it's party warfare. It's political warfare. He's going after his political opponents. He's punishing um, Democrats for not voting for him. Well, this is why we didn't vote for him, because he's a fucking thug. He's a thug. He's a criminal, and he should be removed from office. This is not what our country is about. Jesus Christ, man, what the hell is going on? Oh, speaking of which, I don't know how you can see this going on and support the guy and call yourself a Christian. Because, first of all, that's not how Christians act. And second of all, Jesus was very, very specific on how you're supposed to treat immigrants. And he didn't say nothing about their legal status. It's immigrants. You treat them well. You welcome them into your country. And you can have the welcome into. You can disagree with it, but then don't call yourself a Christian when you don't do what Jesus wants you to do. Which stupid phone call.